Deep beneath the sun-scorched dunes, a hidden life force is about to change everything for the Hayward Green Kiwi. From the silent desert heat to the high-tech precision of the packhouse, every fruit tells a story of survival and science. This is the ultimate triumph, the world's most refreshing fruit, born from the world's harshest environment. Every miracle starts small, with a single seed fighting for its place in the light. These delicate sprouts are the foundation of what will become a massive desert canopy. The bloom is a brief, beautiful window that signals the coming of the desert's most unlikely harvest. Against the backdrop of shifting sands, these vines stand as a testament to human ingenuity.
The journey begins with the heavy iron of the earth movers, carving a future out of the dust.
Soil analysis is critical. Understanding the mineral makeup of the sand determines the life of the vine.
Every meter is mapped and measured, ensuring the perfect layout for the irrigation and trellis systems.
Leveling the terrain is the first step in creating a uniform environment for the automated systems.
Infrastructure is built alongside the farm, connecting this remote outpost to the world beyond.
Rocks and minerals are brought in to stabilize the foundations of the farm's permanent structures. The sand must be enriched. Organic matter provides the nutrients the desert naturally lacks. Precision at this stage ensures that the young roots will find a hospitable home in the modified soil.
The tilling process creates a consistent growing medium across the entire multi-acre site. To find the water required for kiwis, we must go hundreds of meters below the surface.
The roar of the drill is the heartbeat of the project, searching for the ancient aquifer below.
Day and night, the crew pushes deeper into the rock, driven by the promise of hydration.
Success is measured in the change of the Earth's texture as the first signs of water appear. The pressure of the aquifer sends a powerful message. The desert is no longer dry.
For these workers, the eruption of water is a hard-won victory over the elements.
Casing the well protects the water source and ensures a steady supply for decades to come. The pump is the mechanical heart of the operation, tasked with lifting thousands of liters per hour.
Sustainability is key. The sun that threatens the plants will also provide the power to save them.
Every panel is part of a massive array designed to power the pumps and the laboratory. Harnessing solar energy ensures the farm remains operational even in the most remote locations.
The connection is made. The energy of the sun is now converted into the flow of life-giving water.
Pure, cool water finally touches the desert air, ready to be channeled to the greenhouse.
Controlled environments are where the Hayward Green variety begins its life cycle. Quality control starts here, with soil that meets the exact specifications of the laboratory.
Efficiency is paramount. Thousands of seeds must be planted within a narrow window.
Each seed is a tiny package of genetic potential, hand-selected for its resilience.
Seeding is a meticulous process, ensuring each plant has the space it needs to thrive.
A light layer of substrate protects the seeds as they prepare for germination. In the safety of the greenhouse, a forest of Hayward kiwis begins to take shape.
Humidity and temperature are monitored second by second to mimic the perfect spring morning.
In the safety of the greenhouse, A forest of Hayward Kiwis begins to take shape.
Specialized fertilizers provide the young plants with the strength needed for the desert transition.
Every drop is a vital resource, carefully managed by the greenhouse's smart systems.
The scale of the operation is immense, preparing for a harvest that will feed millions.
The time has come for the young vines to face the reality of the desert.
Transporting the delicate cargo requires careful handling across the bumpy sand tracks.
The plantation is ready. The infrastructure for a massive vineyard is finally in place.
It is a race against the sun to get the plants into the ground before the afternoon heat.
Mechanical assistance ensures that every plant is set at the exact depth for optimal growth. A strong root system is the plant's only defense against the shifting sands.
Hand planting ensures that each vine is positioned perfectly to climb its future trellis.
The first block is complete. A new landscape is emerging from the barren earth. Drip irrigation is the lifeline, delivering water directly to the roots with zero waste. Within months, the vines have claimed the space, creating their own microclimate.
Structural integrity is vital to support the massive weight of the ripening fruit.
The trellis system is a grid of steel and wood, designed to withstand desert winds. Under the leaves, the temperature drops, creating a sanctuary for the developing fruit. Constant monitoring for pests and disease ensures the harvest remains organic and healthy.
This constant, precise hydration allows the plants to produce fruit in 40-degree heat.
The transition from leaf to flower marks the beginning of the fruit production phase.
Precision agriculture allows us to predict the yield weeks before the harvest begins. These young fruits will double in size as they soak up the desert sun and water. The Hayward variety is prized for its size and flavor, both enhanced by the intense light.
It is a race against the sun to get the plants into the ground before the afternoon heat.
Supplemental cooling helps the plants cope with the extreme temperatures of midsummer.
Nutrition is tailored to the specific needs of the fruit during its final ripening stage.
Modern technology allows for targeted application, protecting the crop from high-altitude pests.
Data-driven farming ensures that every vine receives exactly what it needs to produce premium fruit.
The desert has yielded its treasure. Months of labor are about to culminate in the pick.
Harvesting is done entirely by hand to prevent bruising and ensure only the best fruit is selected.
A sea of harvesters moves with efficiency, racing to beat the midday temperature peak. From the vine to the packhouse, the cold chain must be maintained to preserve freshness.
Logistics is the final hurdle, moving the desert's bounty to global markets in record time.
Thousands of kilometers away, these kiwis will soon be the center of a healthy meal.
At the processing plant, the first step is a thorough cleaning to remove desert dust. This mechanical grooming gives the fruit its signature smooth, professional appearance. AI-powered sensors analyze every fruit, sorting them by weight, color, and sugar content. Human oversight ensures that only the most perfect specimens reach the consumer. Automation speeds up the packaging process, ensuring the fruit spends minimal time out of refrigeration. The smaller fruits are processed into premium juices, ensuring nothing from the harvest is wasted. The facility is a hive of activity, turning raw harvest into retail-ready products. Temperature-controlled storage keeps the fruit in a state of suspended animation until delivery. Full traceability allows us to track every single kiwi back to its specific desert row. From the heart of the desert to the heart of the home, the Hayward Green journey is complete.